Hello, first grade. Today we're going to be looking at word problems. We're going to focus on addition word problems, and we're going to be looking at the three types of word problems that we have. And we're going to use this with a strategy called start, change, result, where we're going to be reading the word problems to figure out which part of the word problem it's missing. So we have here the three types of word problems where the result is unknown, the change is unknown, or the start is unknown. And these are all addition word problems, and we're going to model them, and we're going to use the strip diagram to help us have a visual of the start, the change, and the result. So let's go ahead and start with the most common one where the result is unknown and we're missing the result. Let's read it together. There were 2 dogs and 2 more dogs came to play. How many are there now? So if you listen to the story, the start, which I marked in blue, there was 3 dogs. So here are the 3 dogs that we started with. And then something happened, the change. 2 more dogs came to play. So we have 2 more that came to play. And we know it's addition because it's adding more to the amount. So we have the 3 plus the 2, and then it's asking us for how many. They want to know what the result is. So in the start, we started with, let me get the pencil really. We started with 3 dogs, and then there was a change. That's 2 dogs came, and we're missing the result. That's what we don't know. We don't know the result. It's the unknown. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to draw a question mark. I'm having a hard time. Okay, it's okay. So I was trying to draw a little question mark, but my mouse is not letting me, but it's okay. So here I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I go 3, 4, 5. Okay. The next type of word problem is where the change is unknown. What happened is what we don't know. So let's go ahead and read the problem. There was 1 owl on a tree. Then some more flew in. Now there are 4 owls. How many flew in? So if you listen to the story, there was 1 owl in the tree. Some more flew in. It says some more flew in, but it doesn't give us the amount. Okay, it doesn't give us a number. It just says some. Now there are 4 owls. How many flew in? So they're telling us the total. So now we have 4, but they want to know how many flew in. What was the change? So here we started out with 1. The change is the unknown, and we know we have a total of 4. So we need to figure out how many flew in. Another way to do it, it would be 4 minus 1, which will give you the change unknown result. So that would be 3. Because I take away 1 from here, and then we know that the 3 flew in. Now, the next word problem is where we have a start unknown. So that means when the part that we start with in the word problem, it's what we don't know, and that's what we're trying to figure out. So I have Mary had some airplanes. Then she made 2 more. Now she has 4 paper airplanes. How many did she start with? So here, the start is unknown. They just tell us some. It doesn't give us a number, and that's what they're trying to figure out. So in your question, it says they're trying to figure out what was the start. That's our unknown, what we don't know. So when we representing our strip diagram, we put a question mark in the star because that's what we don't know what the amount, that's the amount we're looking for. Here, the change was that she made 2 more. So she added 2 more. And now for the total, they have 4. So what we can do to figure this out, we do the opposite and we do 4 minus 2 equals 2. And that's our start, what we started with. Okay, let's go ahead and practice some more. We're going to practice with 3 other examples. Okay, so read the problem with me. Sophie has 9 rockets. Jessie gave Sophie 8 more rockets. How many rockets does Sophie have now? So let's go ahead and break it up. This is called a problem-solving board, and we use it to break down the information that we have read and analyze what we have read and model what we are understanding from the word problem. So we read Sophie had 9 rockets. So she started with 9 rockets. Then after Jessie gave her 8 more. 8 more. Oh, so here's the more. I'm sorry. 8 more. Now she has, do we know how many she has? No, we don't. So that's where we put our question mark because we don't know what she has. Okay. So here in our model, I can draw 9 units. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right. So our start, we started with, in a strip diagram, we started with 9. Then they gave her 8 more. And our result is what's unknown. So our equation is 9 plus 8 equals a missing number. So let's go ahead and count. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that means that 9 plus 8 is 17. Or if you like to use, maybe for your model, if you want to use a number line, you can also use a number line because I heard some of you love to use the number line, which is fine. So then you can write a 9 and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I start here, stop at 17, which gives me the same answer. All right, so now we know that now she has 17 stickers. All right, let's practice another example. Kelly has some rockets. Ooh, some. Javier gave Kelly 8 more rockets. Now Kelly has 16 rockets. How many rockets did Kelly start with? So the question is asking us for the star. That means that the star is what's unknown. And in the star, they put some. So that means that they didn't give us an amount. So here, Kelly had some. We don't know. This is the question mark. Some. After Javier gave her, he gave her 8 more rockets. Now she has 16. So now we're going to model. So we started with started with some amount. We don't know how many. Now they gave us 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we have a total of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So our start is unknown. The change was that they gave us 8 more, and now we have a total of 16. So in order to figure out the answer, you can also do 16 minus 8. So you can take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can take away these 8. And then I have 8 left. So let's do one more problem. Read with me. Tara has 13 rockets. Her friend gave her some more. Now Tara has 17 rockets. How many rockets did her friend give her? So here it's where the change in some, because it says her friend gave her some. We don't know how many she gave her. So let's break what we read. Tara had 13 rockets after her friend gave her some. We don't know what this is, what number it is. More rockets. She now has, and the result should be 17. She has 17. So when we model it, we have 10, 11, 12, 13. And they gave her some more. We don't know how many. But now she has a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So using the strip diagram, we started with 13. We don't know how many she got more, but we know that the result should be 17. So here we can do 17 minus 13 to figure out our answer. So here we're going to take away 13 to figure out how many more did she got. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13. So now we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that she got 4 more. So the answer for the change is 4. She got 4 more rockets from her friend. So now you're going to go to Schoology and go and practice using the strip diagram and the start change result strategy to figure out if you are going to find the start, if the change is unknown, or if the result is unknown using the word problems.